Alright, what's up, Amayan? And if you are a student or someone who deals with a lot of presentation or work and need office, then you have clicked the right video. So today I will tell you about a website that is known as portableapps.com. Go to this website and you will find a lot of apps that are available portable, which means you do not need to install them. Just download them, install them once, and then you can use them wherever you want. Just copy the whole damn file and in the USB, and then you use it wherever you want or wherever you see a PC or something like that. So today I'm gonna tell you something that is very useful in this scenario, an Office app. Yep. So my favorite here is the LibreOffice Portable. I am using LibreOffice for a long time and I love this app. LibreOffice Portable is very useful. You can just simply download it, full featured Office suite, and let me show you how you do that. Okay, I have started the download. When this download completes, just install the app once and then copy the whole damn file or folder in your USB, and then you can use this app wherever and whenever you want. Or you can also share this with someone who doesn't know how to install any apps. This is good for students or any other persons who are dealing with a lot of stuff that requires an Office application. So there it is. Let's wait for the installation. Sorry, for downloading. Then I'll show you how to install and use it. There we go. Okay, now as you can see, the download is complete. Let's run it as administrator. If you get any prompt, just simply say yes to that. I'm gonna get this prompt, I'm gonna press run. Let's wait for it to. Yep, I'm gonna select English, and then you can use this app in laptops, USB, or any other stuff. I don't want anything else, so just let me simply install it here. Right now the installation is complete. Now let me show you how this works. Let's finish this, and here you can see we have a folder, and this is the folder where you can see all the apps. You can use simply LibreOffice. Well, let me tell you something. LibreOffice is completely open source app, which means you do not need any account or anything to log in. Simply just download and use. It's completely free. And if you can donate, a donation will be really great for them because I love what they do. So here you can have some templates if you want to create some CVs or any presentations or documents. Here you can have documents, presentation, all the files. And you can also check for updates. As you can see, I got an update. I can simply download and then I can get the latest and updated version. But I do not recommend that you update the app. Simply use it as it is, so you don't get into any trouble. Alright then, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Oh, let me tell you something else. You need to copy this whole folder and you can use it wherever you want. It's just over 600 MBs. Nothing more like that. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.